Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Litecoin has been the third digital currency by market capitalization for quite a while. This crypto coin has been dynamic for more than 9 years at this point and has figured out how to find success for a large portion of this period. Right now, it is as yet positioned among the main 30 digital currencies by market cap. Recently, there has been a ton of talk occurring about how Litecoin has tumbled off. Nowadays, all moving tokens are either connected to areas of strength bring a great deal to the table other than being a store of significant worth, or are essentially sufficiently particular to be seen by moguls. Notwithstanding having a strong specialized establishment, Litecoin doesn't actually have any of those things. Nonetheless, this digital currency is as yet pressing onward, and we are probably going to see the cost and market cap of Litecoin rise again from now on. In this video, we'll investigate Litecoin's essentials and its possibilities as a drawn-out venture. If it's not too much trouble, recall that our LTC cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation counsel, and you ought to do your own examination prior to concluding regardless of whether it's a wise venture. What is Litecoin? Litecoin, LTC, is a decentralized distributed digital currency made by Charlie Lee, a previous Google representative, in 2011. The LTC network was intended to take care of its senior siblings' organization issues, for example, exchange speed, adaptability, and high commission expenses for each monetary exchange made on the blockchain. Litecoin used to be one of the main cryptographic forms of money individuals learned of when they entered the market. As a fork of Bitcoin, the LTC network depends on the BTC convention. A portion of the things they share, practically speaking, are secrecy, decentralization, the capacity to be mined, and the agreement component, proof of work. In 2016, Litecoin turned into the second greatest digital currency, overwhelming all current altcoins around then. The undertaking pointed not exclusively to support the pace of Litecoin's cost development, yet in addition to advance LTC as a trustless shared vehicle of trade. The Litecoin Foundation has never professed to straightforwardly rival Bitcoin. In actuality, they accepted that Bitcoin would act as the principal advanced coin. In the meantime, Litecoin should unobtrusively replace a valuable other option. Litecoin has had a couple of cost floods beginning around 2016, however has begun gradually tumbling down the market cap rankings. That occurred to some extent because of the way that the digital currency market developed dramatically, and with it, how much rivalry Litecoin had. Computerized resources like ethereum, which were more mechanically progressed than the Litecoin digital money, pulled in more crypto financial backers. These days, LTC is as yet utilized for speedy and modest exchanges. However, a great deal of Litecoin expectations express that the coin needs more extensive reception and more organizations to sparkle really. A purchase signal implies that Litecoin's cost is supposed to ascend sooner rather than later. A sell signal implies that the coin is probably going to decrease in esteem soon. This sort of investigation is the most appropriate for transient cost expectations. Litecoin price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Litecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Litecoin will be $67.35. The most extreme level that the LTC cost can reach is $75.60. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $70.42. LTC price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Litecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical LTC pace of $64.45 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $58.93 and at $66.29, individually. October 2022, Litecoin price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the LTC cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $63.93, while the most extreme could reach $69.52 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Litecoin may be around $66.38. LTC price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value vacillations of Litecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal LTC rate they foresee may be around $69.04 in November 2022. It can drop to $65.97 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $72.83. December 2022, Litecoin price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the LTC cost will be exchanged at $70.42 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Litecoin worth to $75.60. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $67.35 in December 2022. Litecoin price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Litecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Litecoin will be around $101.64. The most extreme expected LTC cost might be around $124.15. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $104.52 in 2023. Litecoin price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Litecoin, in 2024, LTC is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $152.65 and $177.78, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $157.87. Litecoin price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Litecoin and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base LTC cost could drop to $232.90, while its greatest can reach $271.61. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $240.80. Litecoin price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Litecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least LTC costs are normal in 2026, $405.55 and $331.08. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $343.12. Litecoin price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Litecoin. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical LTC cost will be around $488.98. It could drop to at least $400.